Do you have any idea? 10 health benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a popular home remedy. People have used it for centuries in cooking and medicine. Drinking apple cider vinegar as a wellness potion is becoming increasingly popular, and the health trend has recently gained even more momentum. Some celebrities have also agreed on the benefits of apple cider vinegar and how they're enjoying those benefits in their day-to-day life. Jennifer Aniston and Katy Perry are on the top of the list of those celebrities. Apple cider vinegar is now everywhere. Everybody talks about it, and everybody seems to love it. With the exploding popularity of this seemingly basic pantry staple, you're probably wondering what the buzz is all about. But first, let's explore what apple cider vinegar, or ACV, is actually. ACV is made from fermented apples and water. Like other vinegar, ACV has 5% acidity. As there are several types of ACV available in the stores, it can make you confused. Distilled ACV looks clear in the bottle, and it may be the one you're most familiar with. On the other hand, raw, unfiltered ACV contains a cloudy substance that floats around in the mix. It is called the mother and is formed by natural enzymes during fermentation. No need to be wary of it, as this stringy substance usually settles to the bottom of the bottle. It's also completely safe to consume. Another fun fact about the apple cider vinegar is that it lasts for a very long time without any kind of refrigeration. Chances are you've got a bottle of apple cider vinegar sitting in your pantry. Besides salad dressing, have you got any idea about other many uses? Is this just a new hype that is going around? Or is apple cider vinegar amazing? Are there actual health benefits of apple cider vinegar? We will dive into those facts in this video and see some benefits that the apple cider vinegar provides to our health. So let's get on with our video. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar is antibacterial. Antibiotic resistance poses a significant health issue worldwide. Bacteria such as E. coli and Staphylococcus aureus can quickly become pathogenic, especially when an individual is immune deficient. Pathogenic E. coli is the leading cause of urinary tract infections, diarrhea, and pneumonia. At the same time, Staphylococcus aureus has been linked with carbuncles, sepsis, and toxic shock syndrome. Apple cider vinegar has antibacterial properties. According to research of Middlesex University, the UK, they found that ACV could potentially protect the body from harmful bacteria by stopping the growth of bad bacteria and fungus in its tracts, stopping the spread of these infections. What ACV does is that they prevent these bacterial organisms from replicating and stops their ability to respire and undergo metabolism. They concluded that ACV could be used to treat clinical infections without the harmful side effects, hence could be a natural therapeutic alternative. Another test tube study found apple cider vinegar was as effective as 5% sodium hypochlorite at killing Enterococcus faecalis. This bacteria occurs naturally in the bowel and gut of healthy humans but can cause serious infections. Vinegar is also a food preservative, and studies show that it inhibits bacteria like E. coli from growing in and spoiling food. If you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food, apple cider vinegar could help. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar can improve your skin and hair. As summer arrives, it comes with various skin-related problems. As the heat of the sun becomes very harsh on our skin, which can result in many skin-related issues like sunburn, suntan, acne, pimples, and other skin infections. It becomes tough for us to protect our skin from these problems. Apple cider vinegar is an ingredient which has many health as well as skin benefits. It is rich in acetic, citric, malic, and amino acid. Also, it contains vitamins, enzymes, and mineral salts, which is beneficial not only for your skin but also for your hair. Bacteria can trigger inflammation and infection, resulting in severe acne and pimples. ACV is known for its antibacterial and antifungal substance as well as anti-inflammatory properties. So, apple cider vinegar helps in keeping your skin pores, bacteria, oil, and dust free. Apple cider vinegar will soothe your skin and will leave it soft and supple. Its alpha-hydroxy acid removes the dead skin cells, reveals healthy new skin cells, and balances the pH of your skin. Your scalp has an acid mantle like the rest of your skin, and the acid mantle needs to be maintained, which means keeping a healthy pH balance. Using apple cider vinegar as a hair rinse can balance the pH level. An overgrowth of yeast causes dandruff, and as the acidity of apple cider vinegar changes the pH of your scalp, making it harder for the yeast to grow, so bye-bye dandruff. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar can aid in weight loss. There are many health claims surrounding apple cider vinegar, including that it can promote weight loss. There is some evidence to suggest that acetic acid, a component of vinegar, might help weight loss to an extent. About 100 grams of apple cider vinegar has about 22 calories, which makes for a low-calorie drink that can help boost weight loss. Acetic acid is a short-chain fatty acid that dissolves into acetate and hydrogen in your body. Acetic acid seems to help the body suppress body fat by blocking the ability of certain enzymes to create fatty acids in the body. When you consume vinegar, it acts as a mediator to control chemical processes that otherwise create fat. Apple cider vinegar may promote fullness, which can decrease calorie intake. In one small study in 11 people, those who took vinegar with a high-carb meal ended up consuming 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. A study from 2018 found that the participants who took apple cider vinegar lost more weight, had a lower body mass index. Another small study with 20 people showed taking apple cider vinegar with a starchy meal significantly slowed stomach emptying. This led to increased feelings of fullness and lowered blood sugar and insulin levels. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar helps to lower blood sugar. There are two primary forms of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In type 1, the pancreas does not produce insulin because the body's immune system attacks the cells that make it. A person with type 1 diabetes will need to take additional insulin. Type 2 occurs when the body's cells become less sensitive to the glucose-reducing effects of insulin. Type 2 diabetes is a preventable chronic disease that affects how your body controls sugar, glucose in your body. Around 1 in 10 Americans have type 2 diabetes, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. According to scientists, apple cider vinegar has the potential to impact different types of diabetes in various ways. Most studies on apple cider vinegar have examined its potential to reduce blood sugar. A study from 2015 suggested that apple cider vinegar may improve how the body absorbs blood sugar and increases insulin sensitivity in the skeletal muscles. Research from 2004 with 29 participants found that taking 20 grams of apple cider vinegar diluted in 40 ml of water with 1 teaspoon of saccharin could lower blood sugar after meals. Another study from 2007 with 11 participants found that taking apple cider vinegar before bed helps moderate blood sugar. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar helps to lower cholesterol and triglyceride level. High triglyceride and cholesterol levels can increase a person's risk of heart attack and stroke. Also, a high total cholesterol level raises the risk of heart problems. Some evidence suggests that taking apple cider vinegar could help lower both total cholesterol and triglycerides. There are two types of cholesterol, HDL, known as good cholesterol, and LDL, which is known as bad cholesterol. Two small studies from 2012 and 2018 found that consuming apple cider vinegar could reduce total cholesterol, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol. A 12-week study found that participants who took apple cider vinegar had significantly raised levels of high-density lipoprotein HDL cholesterol. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar can help you to improve your blood pressure. High blood pressure is a condition that causes the pressure inside the arteries to be higher than it should. When you overeat salt, drink too much alcohol, be overweight, and not get enough exercise, it can increase a person's risk of developing it. 68 million Americans have high blood pressure, which makes it 1 in every 3 US adults. Studies show that apple cider vinegar may play a role in keeping your blood pressure low. However, it should be used alongside other treatments and lifestyle changes as well. Apple cider vinegar helps control renin, a hormone produced by your kidneys, which is responsible for constricting and dilating the blood vessels. When the blood vessels are constricting, the blood pressure rises. Apple cider vinegar keeps the vessels relaxed, and that means blood pressure won't rise. A study on rats, where rats with high blood pressure were given ACV for a more extended period, resulted in decrease in blood pressure and the enzyme renin. Number 7. Apple cider vinegar helps in polycystic ovarian syndrome, PCOS. Polycystic ovarian syndrome is a hormonal condition that affects women, and it's associated with abnormal menstrual cycles, high levels of androgen hormones, ovarian cysts, and insulin resistance. Insulin resistance or impaired insulin sensitivity has been suggested to be one of the causes of PCOS. Since we already know that apple cider vinegar improves insulin sensitivity and aids in regulating blood sugar levels, it makes sense it could be helpful for women with PCOS. A 3-month study found that women with PCOS who drank 1 tablespoon 15 ml of apple cider vinegar, or about 7 ounces of water immediately after dinner, had improved hormone levels and experienced more regular periods. Number 8. Apple cider vinegar is good for better digestive system. Many people take apple cider vinegar before protein-heavy meals to improve digestion. The theory is that apple cider vinegar increases your stomach acidity, which helps your body create more pepsin, the enzyme that breaks down protein. ACV is naturally acidic, and so for people with low stomach acidity, using ACV may help raise stomach acid levels to aid digestion. In theory, this could prevent gas and bloating, which slow digestion can cause. ACV is also an antimicrobial substance, meaning it may help kill the bacteria in the stomach or intestines. Excess bacteria or bacteria in the upper intestines release gases that may lead to bloating, so ACV may help with the symptom. A graduate thesis found that raw or unfiltered apple cider vinegar may prevent heartburn. There is not enough evidence, and more study is necessary to prove this point. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar is antifungal. Fungal infections can range from minor problems to life-threatening issues. Most commonly, people get fungal infections in the mouth and throat. Candida albicans is a common cause of fungal infections in humans. In some people, Candida infections can be long-lasting and may become resistant to antifungal drugs. People with type 2 diabetes may be at a high risk of developing fungal infections, especially if they're not controlling their blood sugar levels well. According to research, ACV has benefits as antibacterial and antifungal agent. A study from 2018 found that undiluted or mildly diluted ACV can prevent Candida's growth. A case report shows the result of a man with type 2 who had a persistent fungal infection in the mouth due to Candida applied apple cider vinegar to the mouth twice a day for 7 days. After treatment, there was a 94% reduction of the fungal count affecting the mouth. There is a need of more research in this field. Number 10. Apple cider vinegar can work against headaches. Headaches are a common annoyance for most people. There are numerous claims about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. One is helping to treat headaches. Apple cider vinegar does not directly affect a headache in the way that an over-the-counter painkiller does. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar can contain iron, potassium, and calcium. Both the minerals and the acidity in apple cider vinegar could indirectly help headaches. Headaches can have different causes, ranging from allergies and digestive issues to stress and high blood pressure. Apple cider is thought to work on the underlying cause of a headache. Dehydration is another common cause of headaches. Even though many people drink plenty of liquids throughout the day, not all fluids act the same way in the body. Highly caffeinated liquids or sweetened drinks may make the body thirstier. Adding apple cider vinegar to a tall glass of water may increase the number of minerals in the water, helping someone stay hydrated and potentially lessening headache pain. Apple cider vinegar is safe and works like the magic potion, as long as you don't take excessive amounts of it. You can try it because it's calorie-free, adds lots of flavor to food, and has science-based health benefits. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And for more videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe.